everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been before, I'm Harriet from Toby and Roo, and today I'm filming a little come shop with me, but really it's a Homesense and I just want to go shopping at Homesense. So I thought, in order to make myself feel better about the fact that this was one hell of a big procrastination, I would turn it into content. Genius. I'm a genius. Anyway, we're going to do a come shop with me. There are actually a few bits that I do need for the house. I do need them. I did ask Adam to come along with me. He declined. So what I buy, and it will be my taste. And if he doesn't like it, he can do one. Yeah, we are looking with candles. I need a couple of candles, and Homesense have the most amazing candles. So candles, I did want a really big mirror, but I don't know if I'll fit it in. There was a porcelain dog that I saw about 3 weeks ago. I guarantee you it'll be gone, but I really want it. Adam will kill me if I buy it, but he's not here. It's not here, is he? He declined. So I might get that. And yeah, I just generally want to have a look around. I want some plants, I want some plant pot. I just want to have a look around. It's really just an excuse to just go look at stuff and buy it. Does it mean I'm middle-aged that I like this shop so much? I think it does. Let's get ourselves, we'll go for the big basket. We're going for the big basket because we're going to need the big basket. How pretty are these? I want them. I want this as well. Goodness me. Need. Oh my word, what a disjointed little video this is turning out to be. So, Homesense, they did not like that I was filming. One of my friends had warned me that quite often in places they're a bit like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So, one of the staff members had started to come over and she was like looking at me and just quite obviously did not like that I was trying to film bits in there. So I've come home, I've started a new day, and now I'm going to show you what I bought. I did buy quite a bit, mainly candles, because oh my god, the candles are so good. So I'm going to show you. I've actually put stuff where it's going to be, so I'm going to go around the house and show you where I've put stuff and what I bought, and yeah. Hey, so first off is in here, and my office. It is my little This Works candle, sandalwood and orange, and oh my days, it smells amazing. It smells really good. It was one of the most expensive things I bought while I was in there. It was £12.99, which is not a very big candle, and normally Homesense, I find their candles are a bit cheaper. For, you know, you can get a massive one, like massive, for £12.99, but This Works, it was with the beauty stuff. It wasn't even with all of the other candles, and if you feel it, it's really, you can see I've been burning it, it's really oily, and you can kind of rub it on your skin afterwards. So I think it's one of those candles that you can use with aromatherapy oil afterwards and massage into your skin. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's why it was up there with all the beauty stuff, and it smells pure essential oil. Oh, it's so relaxing in my office because I get stressy, really stressy. So I'm loving that. £12.99, This Works, sandalwood and orange. Now if we go into the hallway, I also got another candle, and I can't remember the name of it, Morgan and Grace. Now this one, I love. Adam doesn't like this one at all. They're a bit uninspiring in the packaging, like she's not really that pretty. I expected more like the Sand and Fog ones that I really like, but these smell better. This is Fern and Wild Peony, and it's just clear inside, but it smells really good. And when you burn them, my biggest pet hate with a candle is a candle that smells absolutely phenomenal, and then you burn it and you're like, oh, is it even lit? They smell really good. And I have another one in the living room, which I'll show you in a minute, but biggest purchase, side table. So that's the sand and fog candle that I was talking about before. But this side table, this one here, £69.99. The bigger candle that I just showed you before was £12.99. Same as the This Works. Do you see what I mean about some of the candles are bigger? But this side table, marble on top, all this nice goldy. I love it. And then I also, whilst I was there, bought this plant, £24.99. Hello. And this basket, which I really love. I don't know what brand it is, but I have another one in the living room, which I'm going to take you through and show you. I really like it. I think it's a really nice one. Hello. This one here, the bits on here are orangey, whereas the bits on the one in the snug area are bluey, and I thought they were quite nice. Whilst I was looking at plants, picked up this little thing. It was £7.99. I mean, that's a bargain and a half, isn't it? And it just sits there. Very nice. And then this is a sand and fog one. Bit basic, looks a bit meh, but smells amazing. It's called the Mediterranean, and it smells a bit like sea salty and citrusy. I just think it's a nice one. So that's sitting there, looking all nice and fancy. And then the last thing that I got was the Wild Jasmine and Mint, which is in the living room because it is by far my favourite. It's one of the Morgan & Grace ones that I mentioned. Oh, so nice. It really is really lovely. So total spend came to, I don't know, I'll add it up and put it here. But yeah, I didn't get the things that I wanted though. You know when you come away and you've bought loads of stuff that you wanted, that you needed, but the one thing I really wanted was a giant porcelain leopard, tiger, or a big dog that I put on my Instagram a few weeks ago. I'll put the picture here if I can work out how to edit that. And I just couldn't find it anywhere. So I think I'm gonna have to try and do like a big come shop with me and maybe drag Adam in so that I can film him, and people might just be like, oh, look at them, they're just idiots, as opposed to, oh, look at her, she's a bit dodgy, which was the vibe I was picking up. And yeah, that's it. That is my Homesense come shop with me haul, and yeah,